Now we are plotting the data on graph sheet. Now this is x is sigma dash and y is wide ratio. So coefficient of compressibility AV is equal to minus delta E by delta sigma dash. Now you can tell me why we are using minus. Can anyone tell me why we are using minus? So why we are indicating minus? What this minus is indicating? Can anyone tell me? So you know that every time you are increasing the stress, we are putting extra load on soil. For that means after 1 day you are applying the load. Okay. Now what is happening is wide ratio is decreasing. So that's why we are showing minus. This minus, what it indicates, as the stress increases on soil, as the pore water pressure is dissipating from soil, what is happening now? Wide ratio is getting decreases. That's why we are writing minus. Now you see, many times we are not happy to show this non-linear curve. We want to make straight line. So now see, same data we will plot on wide ratio on y-axis and effective stress on logarithmic scale. So please draw the same plot, but while you are drawing the plot, use semi-log sheet. Use semi-log sheet. That means keep log sigma dash here, and if wide ratio as it is, just like arithmetic scale. Now you see your linear, non-linear will become almost a straight line. Now the slope of this line is called CC. CC means compression index. Now I can write CC is equal to, so what is the slope of this straight line now? Delta E by delta log sigma dash. So the slope of this straight line is now compression index. Slope of this non-linear line is coefficient of volume compressibility. So sorry, coefficient of compressibility. Now there is another parameter that we will discuss here, coefficient of volume compressibility. I may be a bit hurried to tell. Coefficient of volume compressibility means, as we discussed already, coefficient of compressibility by total volume. Total volume means 1 plus E naught. E naught means initial wide ratio. So now we will discuss now how to determine settlement, consolidation settlement using MV and using CC. So now here you see it is very clear. MV is equal to, here you see delta V by V is equal to delta E by 1 plus E naught. Change in volume by original volume is equal to delta E by 1 plus E naught. So now I can write now volume means area into height, the same area. So area getting cancelled. So I am getting delta V by V, change in volume is nothing but compressibility. So now A into delta H by H naught is equal to delta E by 1 plus E naught. So you can ask me, sir, why you are writing V? Because I am repeatedly telling V means Vs plus Vv. Total volume of soil is equal to solids plus voids. So solids remains constant, 1. Now delta V is equal to delta Vv. So now you can ask me, sir, what is E? Wide ratio means volume of voids by volume of solids. Now we can write volume of solids 1. Now change in wide ratio is due to change in voids. So now one can write delta E by 1 plus E naught is equal to delta H by H naught. What is delta H? Settlement. Delta H and nothing but consolidation settlement. Now you see MV is equal to, as we discussed already, AV by 1 plus E naught. You may ask, sir, why you are writing delta H by like that? I will tell you. See, here you can see now what is MV. As you know, AV by 1 plus E naught. What is AV? AV means, as you already discussed, delta E by delta sigma dash. Now 1 by 1 plus E naught. Now there is no need to surprise. Now this is equal to mv. What is delta E by 1 plus E naught? Delta E by 1 plus E naught is equal to delta H by H naught. This is equal to mv into delta sigma dash. Now therefore delta H is equal to mv into H naught. A compression index is correlated with 0.07 LL minus 10. LL means sometimes people write W suffix L. So some people write LL minus 10 and don't get confused. LL minus 10, it is in percentage actually. Liquid limit should be in percentage. This is an empirical correlation postulated by Scunton to estimate compression index. So this is very important. Chala saarlu manam compression index ni batte consolidation settlement kartam. Nothing is why. Now you see compression index. Just now we discussed now CC is equal to delta E by delta log sigma F dash by sigma naught dash. Now how to calculate delta H is very easy. Now we can able to calculate delta H by H naught is equal to delta E by 1 plus E naught. So this is very important concept. So how to calculate delta H? Don't mistake it, delta H means consolidation settlement. Now we can easily write now. So one here you see now we can able to replace delta E now. Now what is delta E? Delta E is equal to CC into delta log sigma F dash by sigma naught dash. So divided by 1 plus E naught. That is why we are able to get at the end CC H naught by 1 plus E naught log 10 sigma naught dash plus delta sigma dash. Okay, compression index is correlated with 0.07 LL minus 10. LL means sometimes people write W suffix L. So some people write LL minus 10 and don't get confused. LL minus 10, it is in percentage actually. Liquid limit should be in percentage. This is an empirical correlation postulated by Scunton to estimate compression index. So this is very important. Chala saarlu manam compression index ni batte consolidation settlement kartam. Nothing